Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna make chicken soup or Tinulang Manok. I don't have all the ingredients, so I'm just substituting a few things, adding it and so on. So I'm using 3 bay leaves, and then I have lemongrass. I have 1/2 cup of tomatoes and some onions. I have some ginger. I have malunggay, 1.5 chicken breast that I cut in cubes, and I also have pepper leaves, and you also need salt and pepper and about 6 cups of water. Let's get started. Alright everyone, I'm gonna saute my chicken before I make my soup. That way it gives it a good flavor. So I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I didn't have the olive oil in the video earlier, so I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. Now I'm gonna add my onions, and my ginger. I'm gonna let my onions and ginger cook for about 3 minutes until the onions is translucent. I'll be back. It's been 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes. I'm gonna mix them well. Then I'm gonna add my chicken. Sorry guys. I'm gonna use a little bit of soy sauce, just about a teaspoon. I mean 1 tablespoon, just to add more flavor to the soup. Then I'm gonna add my pepper, my ground black pepper. And then a teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. You can add more salt and ground pepper later if you need it. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes since the chicken has been cooking. So now I'm gonna add my lemongrass, my bay leaves, and my 4 cups of water. I'm gonna use 4 cups. Well, I'm gonna start with 3 cups for now. See if I need to add more later. So I'm gonna add more salt. I'm gonna bring this to boil for about, once it start boiling again, I'm gonna let it boil for 5 minutes, enough for the lemongrass and bay leaves to give their flavor. I'll be back. Now it's been boiling for 5 minutes. I'm gonna add my malunggay and my dahon ng sili, the pepper leaves. It's still a bit frozen, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it anyway. This is gonna be so good, everyone. This kind of soup is so perfect to prepare on cold weather. I normally cook this like on winter time, but You know, you can do it in summertime too. I like it. All right. Mix them well and make sure you taste the soup and to see, make sure you don't need any more salt. That's how my soup looks, everyone. So I'm gonna bring this to boil again and boil it for about 4 minutes and check if I need any more salt or not. And then I will serve this with rice, or you can just eat it just the way it is. So I'll be back. Hello everyone, my chicken soup is finished cooking and it tastes really good. The house is smelling so good. This right here, my husband will eat this one too, and so is my daughter. She likes soup and my husband loves soup. So this probably lasts us until tomorrow. This right here is about 3 servings really. So we're gonna be a little bit stingy with this chicken soup, but 4 people can eat this one. So if you like this recipe, please show some love and leave a comments below. If you have other recipe that you want me to cook, just let me know. And if you have not subscribed on my channel, please hit that subscribe button and I appreciate that very much. So until next time everyone, I'll be posting more video. Thank you. Bye bye.